Okay guys, I'm gonna show you quickly how you lower and be efficient when it comes to sound on Sunday. I'm using X32 compact. For you to know who the person is singing, press library, press the person who's singing. There's a lead vocal one, I already know who's singing. The person who's singing, his name is Andrew. You just go up here, this knob, you say Andrew Vox. Just press this. It's gonna tell you confirm, say yes, this button right here, bam. Let's see. Person who was singing the second is, we go to the library again and we press, we say Gloria singing tomorrow, right? Just press that and then you go to say yes, and we're gonna check over here, see how everything changed. Bang. And the EQ also changed. That's how you do efficiency, and you ready to go and do everything correctly. So I hope you guys enjoy this and hope you come back again soon.